Hey guys, today and stuff I will be today and stuff we're going to be putting my 50 caliber air rifle and up against some plywood and stuff, see if it will go through and stuff. Um, just gonna be shooting the plywood and seeing if it goes through it and stuff. Um, these are what I'm gonna be shooting. They're 50 caliber BBs. And this is a Sam Yang big bore 50 caliber caliber air rifle. Sorry, and I hope I'm saying the first beginning of his name right on this gun. Um, so that's about it and stuff. So let's get on with the testings. Test and see if he'll actually go through the plywood. Okay, so it did go through the plywood. Um, it went through it so smoothly that it did not move it, which I thought it would bounce it or do something, but it didn't. It just went through it like it was cardboard. So that was a little bit surprising. I actually shot it again because I actually took another shot and shot it again because I didn't think it took. But the second time I realized I shot it the first time. So um yeah. I'll see y'all next time in the next video. And if there's anything you want me to shoot with this shoot with my gun and stuff, let me know.